Let's eat, everyone. This is my recipe for today. This is chicken lomi garnish or toppings with J1 garlics, toasted J1 garlics with one hard boiled egg. Now, tikman natin. Kain tayo. Bismillah, wala barakatillah. Sarap. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make Filipino dish or recipe. I'm sure Filipinos can relate this all ingredients. So today I'm going to make this recipe since I'm craving this recipe. So these are all the ingredients: onions, cabbage, carrots, G1 garlics, shredded or flake chicken, one hard-boiled egg, and then I will put also soy sauce, black pepper powder, one pack chat pata noodles. This is Pakistani noodles, and corn flour. Instead of cornstarch, I use corn flour. So I diluted with 2 tablespoons cornstarch with water and 1 egg. And I told Fahad to buy yesterday half kilogram of carrots, but it's already too much, and cabbage half kilogram, so I use only this half of this one. And this kind of G1 garlics, I use this one. It's like onion bulb, and this is native garlics. We have more stock native garlics, and I have this boiled 2 breast boiled chicken, so I use only this one. This is enough. And since I don't have time to make fresh Mickey, so I use this chat pata. I have this machine of making fresh Mickey. So let's go. We'll start now to make my recipe for today, because since I'm craving, so now we can start now. First, I toast this G1 garlics because I need some toasted garlics. After toasting this G1 garlics, now this onions. So this is already enough. It's light brown. So we can put now this toasted garlics. Since we have too much G1 garlics and native garlics, so we use unlimited garlics while we are cooking or while I'm cooking. So this one, I keep this one for toppings. Now we can put now also this shredded or flake chicken. So since this is already boiled shredded chicken, now we can put now also add this vegetable. Optional if you can add vegetables, so you can add. If you don't have, so no need. But since I'm vegetable lover, so much better I will add this cabbage and carrots, so it become more tasty. Now we have to cover it. Now let's check if vegetable is already cooked. Now we can add now water or broth. So I think this is enough water for soup. Then we have to cover again, and then we'll wait until become boiled this water. Now we can add now this 1 egg. Immediately we have to mix well so will not become yung buo-buo ba. Ano ba yung tawag sa English? Ayan. And then to be followed by diluted corn flour or cornstarch. Then immediately also we have to mix. The reason why I put this cornstarch or diluted corn flour is to become sticky this recipe for today. Now we can season with black pepper, little black pepper, and then soy sauce. If you have patis, you can use also patis, but this is my substitute since I don't have patis. I think water is not enough, so better I will add more water here. You see it's sticky now. Now we can add now this toasted G1 garlics. And then to be followed by boiled noodles or fresh Mickey. So my chicken moli is ready. This is already cooked, so my chicken lomi is ready. Now I have to put this one in serving bowl. Now we can add now this hard boiled egg. And then also this one, toasted garlics. May konti pang natira, so kakainin ko ito. Kung gusto ni Fatma o kaya si Langga, kainin nila. Kung ayaw nila, kakainin ko. Pero I'm sure my husband and Fahad, they don't like this one. So, ang partner ko talaga si Langga, si Fatma. Yan, konti na lang yung natira. Masarap. At least, nakatikim uli ako ng, chicken lomi for how many years? Sorry. Siguro yung last na luto ko ng lomi ay 4 years ago. So, ito na naman nasundan. Kasi nag-crave talaga ako ng chicken lomi. Kaya ito naisipan kong magluto. So, nagpabili din ako ng kunting ingredients na gulay kay Fahad. So, ito na, nakaluto na din ako. At least meron din akong mai-content, mai-upload sa YouTube. Masarap ang chicken lomi. Ito yung aking version na pagluto.